So I'm heading over to Euromotive Performance right now. It's earlier than what we're starting at. We're starting at 9 o'clock and we're leaving at 9:15. That's when the, I guess, movie or the filming starts to begin. Going there right now to pick up Baka. Baka's going to Euromotive to drop his car off. He's gonna be filming for the event itself. Hopefully the weather holds up. I think the weather should be decent. Like I said, it's drizzling outside / showers, but the car is spotless. Ended up detailing it yesterday with a good friend of mine. I'll put his Instagram handle right now. Raphael. He has a M6 6-speed, 1 of 23, and I'll explain later on in another video why it's 1 of 23. As you can see, majority of the rain has stopped, but it's still, like I said, just drizzling. Hopefully this won't deter a lot of people from coming out, but we'll see. All right, so I just pulled up to Euromotive Performance. Like I said, it's drizzling a little bit, so this is where everything's gonna be lined up. A whole bunch of cars are gonna be lined up right in the front over here. The car is still looking somewhat clean. Well, at least the coating is actually holding up, so that's nice. The best part, I get to park inside. All right, so here's Baka up, pulling right now. It's pulling up. He just got those new wheels. Those are Z Performance wheels. It's looking good on his car. You want to park where I'm at? That's probably prime parking where I'm at.
Yeah, better.
All right, we are right now heading to the pre-meet spot.
And you show how my wheelers looks better than my wheelers. And you show how my wheels look better than yours.
You know, everybody has their own opinion. I love the way mine look.
No, they look amazing. Yeah, that was my other option to go to.
Really?
But I wanted directional wheels. And
hey, yours look good. No, originally I was gonna get those.
No, yeah, because I mean, I don't care if like the other guy with the fucking BC has them.
Yeah.
Based on what Seth told us.
Yeah.
They came up with the design first and they copied it.
I believe them.
Yeah, and regardless, like there's no other one that I've seen that has the same set of wheels.
Yeah. Talk to the camera, guys.
No. Like you're the main character of your vlog.
No, you gotta be in the vlog. So if you guys haven't seen Baka's channel, I'll link it in the description. And his channel is actually pretty legit. He knows what he's doing. I'm just using the camera. I'm doing what I can. So I'm slowly learning. He'll teach me some of the tricks.
But yeah, the weather looks pretty shitty. Do you curse on your channel?
Shitty's not a bad word, right?
It fucking sucks. Bleep it out.
Bleep that out.
But yeah, I don't think people will be discouraged that there's rain. I mean, we live in South Florida. We're already used to this shit.
Yeah, because you know what? Every time we go to Cars and Coffee,
it's fucking raining.
It rains, yeah. Whether you prep your car the day before or you wash the car the morning of, it's gonna rain, it's gonna drizzle and shower. So I have microfiber towels, I have my ONR and
I So what would you define as OEM plus?
OEM plus is having majority of your stock parts on the vehicle, slightly modded. So right here he has the stock 437Ms with a lower suspension. Hey, let's go into this parking lot.
What up?
What do you think, George?
How you doing, George?
This is the coolest,
what's up, dude?
you know, F80 owner that's in Miami, besides Baka.
Of course. But yeah. What's up, George? How you doing?
Not much, man. Just waiting for my crowd here, my people, man.
Yeah, let's go into the parking lot.
Yeah,
here.
we're gonna wait there because that's the main spot. Alright, dog. I don't know if your camera is waterproof, but I'm recording and like this is.
I hope it's waterproof.
Yeah,
it's probably not.
This is pretty cool.
Hopefully it doesn't get soaked.
Of course, I'm not vlogging because I'm gonna be doing most of the video, cinematic video, because I don't want to waste battery.
And kill the camera for being
soaked. But this is worth sharing. We have a E90 M3 here on T37s in a full inventory carbon intake, and he came from
Georgia.
Georgia.
Came all the way from Georgia.
That's pretty dope. So I mean,
I lost my lip, so I'm like freaking. No, it's pretty impressive. I think he's the furthest one that came away to this meet, regardless rain or shine. You know.
We thought like he just pulled up, and maybe he has family here in Florida. Like, he just came to Basin and hear about the event. But he came all the way from Georgia. That's pretty dope. Carbon fiber. 9 hours. Unfortunately, he was telling us that he lost his lip yesterday.
You can get the cheap.
Yeah, but that's pretty sweet. What did you say?
That's dedication. Dedication.
Yo, Keith.
Keith, my name's Ken. Kenneth.
Yo, Keith.
Oh, Keith.
I know your name's Kenneth. Thank you, sir.
So like I said, this guy came all the way from Georgia, which is pretty insane. And it's a 6-speed. All right, we got Brandon rolling up right now. Georgie!
Run the group.
I know, I see that. Dude.
Northern boys is strong.
I know, I see that. On time too. We'll head out soon. So,
let me know when we want to go.
Where do you want him at to start filming it?
He's going to be in the truck.
I'm gonna be in the
on
bed.
the street over here.
No, catching us roll out.
Yeah.
Well,
I think we
for
can.
a shot like that, just my suggestion from what I've seen in the past is you want to get the cars turning out. The shot of them all coming out and coming straight on at you.
So we're going to make a right here. And here, making that right.
So what we'll do is we'll have everyone line up behind me coming out there.
Okay.
And then we'll start rolling there. Once we turn, everybody's got to be right up on us. Like, not on us, maybe a car length behind us. That way, when everyone's coming out, you're getting everyone.
Pass you?
Yes, pass. Once we get onto this road right here, we're going to want to do a pass shot. Have everyone come past the camera. That way, that shot's going to be ridiculous when it coming everyone. And we want to get everyone too, so we'll probably be going slower than everyone.
Yeah, we're ready.
That way everyone can surpass us, and then we'll get back around again.
You
want to hear real quick?
All right, so.
You want to go?
All right, thank you everyone for coming.
I want to thank this guy too for coming from Georgia.
Georgia.
You know, there you go.
All right, so just so that you know, a lot of what we're doing today is going to come out in Performance BMW magazine. We're going to be doing some video footage as well. We're going to create like a little movie as a result of what we're doing here. So we also have camera and videographers with us today.
That's scattered throughout the group, yeah.
That are scattered throughout the group. The intent of the magazine feature is more like a group event, right? We're promoting BMW Invasion and what we're trying to do here as a culture in Florida. Eventually our goal is similar to what's done in California where they have a Beamer Fest, do that in Florida. All right, so that's our ultimate goal. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna leave the parking lot we're gonna have the videographer and the camera and the camera guys and the photographer lead us, and then we're gonna pass him on our way toward Euromotive. The drive between here and Euromotive is about 15 miles an hour. We're not racing because remember, we want footage of everyone's car.
It's a nice
Right?
B-roll. And
We're gonna be rolling really slow. That way everyone can surpass us and we get all the cars rolling by. That's what's important. The footage today, we want to, like you said, it's a group. We want to capture all the cars that's involved with this great event. So we'll be going much under the speed limit. That way you guys can go by and then we'll catch up again. And then I got, facial shots right here. It's just straight up.
And it goes without saying, just keep it safe. You know, we can't be doing donuts. That would look good on film. We have too many people to do that, so the possibility of one of us drift into each other is a high possibility, especially if the roads are wet. Just keep it safe. When we get there, just clean up after yourselves and have a good time, really. And tag everybody, have a good time, that's it.
Yeah, do live, whatever you guys, just have fun. All right? All right? Head on out.
All right, let's do this, bro.
All right, so we're on our way to lead and head out now. So we got Baka there, got Grizzly the videographer. Got Spencer right there, getting all the B-roll. So there was a little mix-up, and that usually happens when you have a big group of cars following each other. And we're gonna do the rollers again. It's a large group behind us, as you can see. But yeah, we were supposed to roll out in Miami and Aventura, and then cruise up here. But I guess somebody got lost, and things happen. But we're gonna make it up though. It's gonna be an epic, epic film. See, that's what you call dedication right there. That's dedication for real. Decent amount of people here, so. I heard that.
Here if you want.
Yeah, that's fine. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Come to the event, and this is Miguel. He'll say a few words.
Thank you very much. BMW Invasion. Make sure you follow us on IG, Facebook, YouTube. We got some awesome footage today. Stay tuned to our movie coming out soon. We got some features in the magazine as well. Some surprises in March and April that Ken's gonna talk about.
So March, we have another event for E9X. We'll put the date in the description. Also coming up in April, we're thinking about doing something called BMW Invasions of Wynwood. So I want to thank you guys so much for coming. We all were safe today, had a good time. Tag us in your photos, tag us in your videos. We'll be happy to repost them for you. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, all right?
See ya.